Good morning student, welcome back to today class. The last class we learned about plane shapes. What are the plane shapes? Yes, square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval. They are comes to plane shapes. I hope you are learned the plane shapes. Today we are going to see our solid shapes. Solid shapes. That is comes to 3D. That means three-dimensional shapes. Plane shapes comes to two-dimensional shapes. Solid shapes comes to three-dimensional shapes. Plane shapes have only vertex and edges only. But solid shapes have vertex, face and edges. Vertex, face, edges. Vertex, V-E-R-T-E-S. Vertex, face, F-A-C-E, face and edge, E-D-G-E, edge. Three comes in the solid shapes. Vertex, face, edges. I think you might have seen about dice. Do you know what is the shape of the dice? Yes, it is a cube shapes. Now we are going to see our cube shape. That is a cube shape. That is comes to cube shape. Here, how many edges, how many vertex and how many faces? Just look at here. Just the cross out, the shade of the lines comes to faces. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pages? Yes, 6 pages. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? Yes, 6 faces. The plane surface of the solid object is called the faces. The plane surface of the solid object is called the faces. Therefore, cube has 6 faces. Then, yes, how many vertex? How many vertex? Where is the vertex? Where is the vertex? Yes, that is the vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 7, 8. So, vertex comes to 8 vertex. 8 vertex. The point where edges meet is called the vertex. The point where the edges meet is called the vertex. Then how many edges? Yes, that is the edges. One point to another point. The line where two faces meet is called the edge. The line where two faces meet is called the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges? Yes, 12 edges. Therefore, cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Okay, for example, dice and cube. Have you seen about the duster? Yes, I think you have might seen it. Do you know what is the shape of the duster? Yes, it is a cuboid shape. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Cuboid shape. Just look at the duster. That is a duster, isn't it? Here it comes to, that is faces. That is faces. Here ending comes to vertex. That is comes to end vertex. Then here one lines come here. Look at, that is side. That is side. That means edge. That means edge. Just look at the picture. Here comes to vertex. How many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So vertex 8. Then faces is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? Is 6 faces. Then edges. That is edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges? Yes, 12 edges. For example, duster, pencil box, that is cuboid shapes. Third type, I think you have might seen about the water glass. Do you know what is the shape of the water glass? Yes, it is a cylinder shape. It is a cylinder shape. Just look at the picture. That is comes to cylinder shape. Here comes to how many faces? 1, 2 faces. Edges, 1, 2 edges. How many edges? 2 edges. 2 flat faces. That is comes to flat faces. Only one. Just look at only one curved faces, only one, but flat faces comes to 2. Then edges 1, 2. How many edges? Yes, 2 edges. For example, pen, candle, glass, remote battery, chalk. That is the example of cylinder. Fourth type, I think you have might tasted the ice cream. Do you know what is the shape of the ice cream? Yes, it is a cone shape. This comes to cone shape. That is the cone. C-O-N-E, cone. That is comes to only one flat faces. Only one flat faces and only one curved faces only. Then only one edges. Here comes only one edges. This comes to only one edges. One flat face, one curved face, one edges. And one vertex. Here look at one vertex, but cylinder has no vertex. Here comes to vertex come. No. So cylinder has no vertex, but cone has only one vertex. For example, ice cream, party cap. It is example of cone. Then fifth time, have you seen about the football? Yes, I think you have might seen it. What is the shape of the ball? Yes, it is a spear shape. Spear, S-P-H-E-R-E, spear shape. That is comes to spear shape. It is only one curved faces. Here no edges and no vertexes. For example, football, globe, tomato. That is the example of spear. Dear children, I hope you are understand the solid shapes. Just to take your note and pencil. Write a solid shape. First one cube, second cuboid, third cylinder, fourth cone, fourth one cone, fifth one sphere. Just take your note and pencil, write a solid shape in your maths note one time. Thank you children.